Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to another online session of Learning Computers. Today I will be giving you a brief introduction on chapter number 1, Computational Thinking. So let's start. Computational thinking just means thinking like a computer. Computational thinking is an approach to problem solving. It involves the breaking down of a problem into smaller chunks, working on them individually, and finally bringing them together to provide a solution to the problem at hand. What is computational thinking? It is a problem solving process, which means when children develop computational skills, they are able to express a problem and think logically. It helps them to break down the issues at hand and predict what may happen in the future. It is also essential to development of computer applications, as computational thinking is the step that comes before programming computer applications, as it is the process of breaking down a problem into simple steps that even a computer would understand. It can also be used to support problem solving across all disciplines, which means computational thinking can be integrated with all the subjects, whether it is science or maths or SST or any other. Facts about computational thinking. Computational thinking is a strategy for solving problems that can be applied to any field or situation, which means blending computational thinking with the academic subjects promotes a better understanding of the concepts, as students actively involve them in the learning process and solve problems based on their lessons. It would also help students become creators of the knowledge who are able to find and give meaning to patterns and problems. Computation thinking and computer science are two completely different things. Please don't get confused, because these are two different things, and without using a computer, computational thinking can also be implemented. We definitely do not need to make robots or learn a new language or a program a computer to ensure that students understand computation thinking. It means we can also implement computation thinking with the use of technology and without use of technology also. And last, it's not getting over soon. It means it will rise in the future. Fundamental skills for everyone. Today in this competitive world, every learner should acquire these four important fundamental skills. These are reading, writing, arithmetic, and computational thinking. So children, these are very important skills for your future. So everyone should understand this. Why computational thinking is important? So children, you must be thinking why this concept is very important to learn. As I told you in the previous slide, these are the four basic skills: reading, writing, calculations, and your computational thinking. So if you see, governments around the world see this as an essential skill in the 21st century workforce. Means in the future, every job which is equipped, all the employers will be demanding this important skills. Even companies, world famous companies like Apple and Google, they are filling their positions by checking all these skills, especially computational thinking. So you can think of how much important is computational thinking for your future. Okay children, for developing your computational thinking abilities, I am giving you a word search activity. This is a sort of activity which will enhance your problem solving process. In this activity, you have to find out all the computing words which is shown in the grid. These words can appear horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. They can run backward or forward. Even different names can cross and overlap. So these are the hints which you have to use. You just perform this activity. This will definitely start improving your computational thinking skills. Okay children, do this activity and we will see you in the next session. I hope you enjoyed the session, and in the next session I'll be telling you in detail about the computational thinking. Thank you.